Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present.
Today is the day that we decorate the canopy for Christmas. We bought, not a bunch, but some Christmas decorations. Got some garland. Got some, what's this? Merry Christmas. This is a toy that she got in a bark box last year. Remember that? I think she knows it's Christmas because she started playing with it more now. What do you think? Should we decorate? One of the things I love so much about living in the truck is that we can park anywhere. Like in these absolutely gorgeous areas. Right now, we're in this really wooded area. Snow everywhere. Blankets of snow. Beautiful right along the river. It's gorgeous.
Get her. Get her. Oh, get her.
Oh my gosh. This stringy beard in your mouth. I got these adorable lights with these pine cones on them. So we shall put them on. See what they look like. Ooh.
Oh, that's
Nice.
bright.
Yeah.
All of a sudden.
It's, yeah. Well, we do need some more light in here, so.
Yeah.
So my plan for these lights is to kind of string them up along here. And the way that I'm going to do that...
Oh, you brought the Velcro. That's what it was for.
Yes, the Velcro. So, this cap is fiberglass, which means we obviously can't like screw anything into it. Well, maybe we can, but we're not doing that. So, Velcro. This has been amazing, which is actually how we've attached our curtains. They are very stuck, as you can see.
Yeah, they don't exactly move a lot.
There's no guarantee that it is not going to ever wreck the carpeting, but that's a problem for future Star and Daniel.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay, you know, the Velcro's working well, actually.
Yeah, it is.
This is a great idea. Oh no, my sweater. Ready for the grand reveal?
Wow, that sure clashes with the other ones.
I know, we should have got... I wanted to get warm lights here, but Daniel always picks like cool lights for things, so I was like, he's gonna want the cool lights. But he didn't. He wanted the warm lights, of course, the one time I pick it. But the warm lights are so pretty.
Yeah,
we can turn these ones off.
Homier.
I saw these really cute flameless candles, which are kind of hard to turn on.
What's our plan with these?
Look at that. I know, I should have gotten some like sticky stuff.
We do have duct tape.
Duct tape. So cute.
You know what? Stuff actually does stay up there somehow. I'm not really sure how.
Wow.
The little one, you can't really see it.
Whatever. It's doing its job. One sec. Oh, yeah. So cute.
Look at all the dog hair on the,
On this, yeah.
Holy moly.
Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm gonna, like, get some tape or something to stick these down here, because I would like some further down where we can actually...
We can just do a tiny piece of duct tape. They shouldn't move. I have some duct tape. Come on. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Okay, this is a bit tricky. It takes some skill. Oh, did I break it? Yeah, but not the way I thought I would. Let's try another one. This is what happens when you buy stuff from Canadian Tire.
Okay, so I've never actually put up garland before, but Daniel has, so learning. But I accidentally bought like a giant piece of garland, like strips, so we're gonna try to put it just above this window here. Put some on that side.
Okay.
They're all up now. I think it looks really good, actually. These lights were originally intended for our tree, but I think I'll just get another pair of them. Another set. It looks so pretty. Happy with how it turned out. Now we have some more balls to put up. It's too bad we forgot our Santa hat.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
I was gonna put it on top of the paper towel roll.
Okay.
Yeah. Staying up late looking out the window. Yeah. Christmas is coming. Yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama, and papa too.
This. She took my
This is
pillow.
what happens every night.
She literally is
She's
like stretched out all the way across the
She's
pillows.
such a hog.
You hung on the pillows, Aspie. Yeah.
It's currently minus 20. Feels like minus 23. Winter storm watch. Ooh, fun. What does that mean? Heavy snow possible Friday through Saturday. 30 centimeters. Which, I don't know what that is in inches. Let's see. Inches. Ooh. Okay, it is 12 inches, so a foot. I think
Yeah.
that's a foot. Eh?
Yeah. 30 centimeters is a foot.
It's pretty insane though, because it's 20 to 21 Celsius inside and minus 20 Celsius outside. So what is that? Like a 41 degree difference?
Mm-hmm.
And the diesel heater is still on low.
Yeah. The entire night it stayed a toasty 21 degrees on low power with the diesel heater. Isn't that insane?
It's just kind of insane. Like,
I mean, this was, I think, finally the most comfortable night we've had in here where we're not overheating.
yeah.
So it has to be minus 20 for us not to overheat. That's kind of crazy. I mean, we have a very small space and like 3 bodies warming it up, but like still, that's crazy.
Yeah, that diesel heater, man. Holy moly.
Yeah, he is a beast.
Yeah, it is. There's ice on the windows, like on the inside, like under here.
Oh yeah, look, it's pretty. Ice on the windows. Behind the curtains. Oh, it's like, it's thick, too.
Yeah, so this is a slight problem. What it is it's moisture from our breath.
Yeah.
And because we don't have our fan installed, it's just...
Nothing's bringing the moisture out, so it's all just freezing.
Yeah, which kind of sucks because we talked about a leak in one of our last videos. It's not a leak.
Yeah, we figured it out. There's no leak.
It's moisture from our breath.
The moisture is building up.
And it's going onto our bed.
Yeah, and then it's soaking our bed and our blanket. And yeah, it's just kind of a problem. I think
easy fix if we had our fan, but you know.
The main...
We do have a fan, but we can't do anything about it because you can't start
cutting a hole in minus 20.
Yeah, like you'll just shatter things in this temperature.
Yeah, if we took it into like a shop maybe, but that is a problem for later.
Yeah.
Not for right now. Ooh, okay, so I'll show you my situation here. So, we don't have our cooler with us right now because that seems silly. But I wanted to have bagels with cream cheese. So I put the cream cheese in here. so that it would stay cold. Look at that. It's actually like...
Is it solid?
It's not solid, but it's very cold. But yeah, look, you can see the ice. There's ice right here. Isn't that crazy?
Bad hog. So as you can see, this is a slight issue.
Look at that. Like it's actually like so thick. Wait, use this. It's actually like so thick. Like, that's insane. It's just ice and doggy feet.
Oh boy. It's not what you want to see.
You can actually see like the ice is kind of making like lines around where the window is. Because these windows edges are metal, and then these ones are plastic, so.
Oh, there's a sock. I thought I had my shoe on. If you're wondering if it's warm, it's not. Let's see what it says on here. Minus 21. It's like on the very edge of parka weather. Probably busted out when it gets down to minus 25. This jacket's actually pretty crazy. All I have underneath of it is a long sleeve shirt. Although I think, let's see if I can put some windshield washer fluid to get the ice off. Got it off of the outside, but it's frozen on the inside too. Gonna take some drone footage. We'll see how it does in the cold. The batteries are warm, and they do warm up in flight, but I mean, it is minus 21 here still, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't come crashing out of the sky. So, that went actually pretty well. The drone didn't crash, and the battery is actually, perfectly warm. I think the key is to have it at a good temperature, obviously, before you put it up in the sky, because then it'll stay warm in flight. But yeah, nothing was glitchy. It's now minus 22. Nothing glitched out. Things like electronics, they're just very laggy, and the screen does some funky stuff, but that never happened, so that is good. I'm just gonna go for a little walk at Hudson Bay Mountain today. It just looks so impressive. I just have to get a shot. It's always impressive, but today it's like, holy moly. So I'm gonna get a shot of that. There's still some fog on the river, which looks cool. Ice fog. Oh, it's kind of disappearing. Should have been here this morning. Oh well, let's go. When it comes to cold temperatures like these, I can't recommend this hat more. This hat is so warm. Like, I'm boiling, it's minus 22. You know, it's so nice to come back to, oh, I don't know why I unplugged that. It's so nice to come back to a warm pickup or home. It's just, you know, because usually when you go out and do stuff, you're in the truck, like the cab, and it's kind of cold, but this is just instant heat because I run it while I'm gone so that the battery doesn't get wrecked or anything. But it's so nice to be able to just come back from your walk, enter the truck, and it's 20 degrees in here, so it's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. I think I'm going to end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time. If there's supposed to be a winter storm, it says so in the forecast, so if there is, we'll probably make a video during that. See you next time.